Hello children, welcome back to today's computer class. Today we'll learn a new lesson in computer. Lesson number 2, computer games. Have you ever played games in a computer? Yes, you would all have played games on the computers. Now you are all playing games in mobiles. Now we'll learn about computer game. A game that is played on a computer by pressing keys, moving mouse, joystick is called computer game. Now we'll see the disadvantages of computer game. What are the disadvantages? Can you name any disadvantage? Yes. Playing games will cause eye problem. Yes. We'll see in detail. Playing computer game isolates children and decreases their communication skill. And outdoor activities like walking in park and playing sports are reduced. Main disadvantage is they will be focusing only on the games. They will not open the book and read. Students neglect their studies due to computer games. Now we'll see the advantages of computer game. There are few advantages. Let's see what are they. Children feel shy and lack confidence. If they play computer game, they build their confidence skill and also their thinking skills and problem solving skills and making decisions. Playing game will reduce stress levels. It is important to limit the time for playing games. Now we'll move on to the next topic, history of computer games. History of computer games is a part of history of technology. The computer games requires technology capable of handling large amount of data and representing them. It is first designed for military and academic purposes. In 1962, Steve Russell invents a game named as Space War. Space War is not actually the first computer game developed, but it is intended to be played on the computers. Space War originally ran on PDP-1 computers. It is similar to the size of a large car. Then later in 1973, Atari released a game called Pong. Pong became the huge success. Soon Atari followed many other companies and started creating many interesting games. Breakout appeared in 1976 and also Space War were the first time used vector graphics. Next we'll see about arcade games. Arcade games are usually video games, pinball machines, electromechanical games. They are often played in the short levels and increase the difficulties in the further levels. In 1978, Colors was introduced and Space Invaders were produced and created many games in 1980s, namely Zork in 1980, Pitfall in 1982, Mario Bros in 1983, Elite in 1984, Metroid in 1986, Final Fantasy in 1987 and Prince of Persia in 1989. Next we'll see PC games. What is PC here? PC refers to personal computer. Personal computer games are popular because of their memory, graphics and sound capabilities. In 1980s, the famous PC games are Shaq TRS-80, the VIC-20, the ZX-80 and the Commodore 64. Other advantages of playing PC games because they use monitors, keyboards, joystick for playing. In early 1990s, the real 3D graphics are injected to the computers. Early 1990s, the 3D graphics are started. Nowadays, computer games are played on the internet directly on the web are called casual games. There are some familiar PC games called Grand Theft Auto 5, Mass Effect 2, Batman, Portal 2, Doom, Inside, Angry Birds, Need for Speed, Spider-Man, etc. Now we'll discuss the last topic, types of computer games. There are four types, namely adventurous games, puzzle games, sports games, and educational games. What is adventurous game? It is a single player game which mostly with fantasy and adventurous worlds. What is puzzle game? Which is used to solve different puzzles which are brain games with no action involved. Then what are sports games? Sports games are real world sports like cricket, football, basketball, tennis, carom, ludo, etc. are played on the computers. Next, last is educational games. There are some great educational games that helps the learning process. The most common games are for subject maths and science. Students, I hope you all understood the lesson. Now we will move on to the reading part. You should all read along with me. Okay, come, let's start. Lesson number 2, computer games. A game that is played on a computer in which the pictures that appear on the screen are controlled by pressing keys. Moving mouse or joystick is called computer game. Computer games are just another program that you can run on your computer, and like any program, they are created using a programming language. Disadvantages of computer games. Playing computer games isolates children and decreases their communication skills. Outdoor activities like walking in a park or playing sports have been replaced by playing games for long times. Studies may have concluded that spending too much time on computer games can cause serious mental illness like depression. Computer games are one of the main factors why students neglect their studies. Advantages of computer games. Children shy and lack confidence when socializing with their friends may find it easier to open up while playing computer games with a limit. Complexity games give your child the opportunity to improve thinking skills such as solving problems and making decisions. Playing games with a limit can be a way out for your child escape from the pressures to reduce stress levels. One of the biggest effects of playing games is to make people happy. However, it is important to limit the time for playing games. In 1962, Steve Russell invents Space War, a game that was developed at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT. It was not the first actual computer game developed. However, it was the first intended to be played on computers. Space War originally ran on a PDP-1 computer the size of a large car. The first commercially video game, Pong, was released by Atari in the year 1973. Pong became a huge success. Soon Atari was followed by many other companies and new interesting games were created. Breakout appeared in 1976 and also Space Wars for the first time using vector graphics. Arcade games. Arcade games, usually video games, pinball machine or electromechanical games. Arcade games often have short levels which rapidly increase in difficulty with simple and inbuilt controls. PC games are also sometimes referred as arcade games. In 1978, color was introduced and Space Invaders was produced, and in 1980s the popular game Pac-Man was created. In late 1980s the games increased rapidly and some of them are Zork 1980, Pitfall 1982, Mario Bros 1983, Elite 1984, Metroid 1986, Final Fantasy 1987 and Prince of Persia 1989. PC games. The arrival of personal computers (PCs) in late 1980s made PC games popular because of their memory, graphics and sound capabilities. The popular PCs in 1980s for games are Radio Shack TRS-80, the VIC-20, the ZX-80 and the Commodore 64. Another advantage of PCs for gaming was that they had a mouse, keyboard and joystick. In earlier 1990s, the first step to the real 3D graphics started. In the second half of the 1990s, 3D hardware became common in PCs. Beautiful 3D graphics become normal for all big games. Nowadays, the games can also be played on the internet directly in a web browser called casual games. Some recent popular PC games are Grand Theft Auto V, Mass Effect 2, Batman, Portal 2, Doom, Inside, Angry Birds, Need for Speed, Spider-Man, etc. Types of computer games. Adventure. They are single player games and often set in fantasy or adventures world. Types of games. Adventure. They are single player games and often set in fantasy or adventure worlds. You complete puzzles to advance levels. Puzzle. These games appeal to those who love to solve difficult puzzles. These are brain games with no action involved. Sports. Play real world sports like cricket, football, basketball, tennis and more. The popular sports games are based on specific sporting events. Educational. There are some great educational games that can help the learning process. The most common games are for mathematics and science. Students, I hope you all read the lesson along with me. Now you have to complete the exercise given in page number 10 on your own. You have to complete first two Roman letters on your own. Thank you, children.